The Commission of Inquiry is mandated to investigate in the Occupied Palestinian Territory, including East Jerusalem and in Israel, all alleged violations of international humanitarian law and all alleged violations of international human rights law. It is also tasked with examining the underlying root causes of recurrent tensions, instability, and the protraction of the conflict, including discrimination and repression based on national, ethnic, racial, or religious identity. The Commission seeks to identify those responsible for violations of international law to help ensure that perpetrators are held to account. Towards this end, the Commission collects, analyzes, records, and preserves information in line with international legal standards with a view to maximizing its use in potential legal proceedings.
The Commission plays a unique role amongst international organisations looking at the situation in Israel and Palestine. It was the first UN investigative mechanism to publish a report exclusively dealing with sexual, reproductive and gender-based violence in the Occupied Palestinian Territory, and it will continue to produce similar specialised reports. It has produced the most comprehensive report of an investigation into the attacks by Palestinian armed groups in southern Israel on 7 October 2023. It has taken and continues to take measures to promote accountability and international justice for all victims falling within its mandate, addressing impunity gaps for those whose voices may be forgotten. It pays special attention to the situation of women and to children and to other marginalised groups, with the aim of reflecting the voices of those most injured, of those whose human rights have been most seriously violated, and of those who are most vulnerable and most marginalised.
As an independent and impartial body, the Commission endeavours to provide the international community with credible and unbiased information. The Commission investigates allegations of violations of international human rights law, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide, with the aim of strengthening accountability for victims. The Commission's report helped to establish a fact-based historical record which gives voice to victims and tells their stories. Even when justice appears out of reach, we must continue working to secure it for Palestinians, Israelis, and all other affected by the protracted conflict. We stand ready to engage with all stakeholders. Our doors are open, and we encourage dialogue.